it's your first time here, welcome, my name's Simone. Today I am doing a video on why we meal plan. I have got videos where I do shopping hauls, where we went to Marks and Spencer's and we stuck to an £80 budget for the week. Yeah? Daddy, yeah. He wants to be in on this video, so... Yeah, so I've got different types of hauls and cooking videos and things like that. I'll leave the playlist above if you want to check them out. Okay, so Mike has just gone upstairs with Ryan, so I'm really going to try and make this video and not make it too long, and I've sat down as well. So I'm sorry about all the colours changing in the back, but it's really sunny outside. So there's 4 reasons and benefits, I would say, that we are getting from meal planning. I know it's not for everybody, and if someone would have said to me to do meal planning months ago, I would have been like, no way, because I'm not the most organised person and I don't really like planning things. I'm quite a spontaneous person, but the benefits of this, I am saving money, I'm saving time, it's less stressful, and I feel like I'm making more nourishing meals. So for me, then benefits outweigh the negatives. So I'm going to go through each one and just kind of break it down a little bit. If you are new here and you are enjoying this content, I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm thinking about doing a tips one as well next time, so if you're interested in that, then please let me know. So the first one is saving money. So I'm going to try and put below the national average for a family of 5 in the UK. So I'm from the UK, but I'm living on the Isle of Man. I've been here for nearly 3 years. So the cost of living is slightly dearer over here, especially when it comes to eating out. So the ways that I'm managing to save money is with me planning the meals each week, then I know exactly what we're buying. So I'm not overspending, and I'm not spending enough, so then we're having to do top-up shops. So I've talked about it before on other videos, how Tesco's is the only UK supermarket that delivers, and it's really hard to get a delivery slot. I think we've only had 3 deliveries in 3 years. But what I do is the shopping basket, it never, say for example, if I was going to shop online every week, 80% of the items would stay the same. So when Ryan goes shopping, he likes to have the shopping list, and if he can see the items as well, it can help him, because he is the one that will overspend easily if I never gave him a list. So he goes down the list when he's there, like the online shopping basket, and then he can make sure that he sticks to budget. I feel as well that even if you are going shopping in the supermarket and you're not shopping online so that you can see the price, if you do have your shopping list and you're able to go onto the online shop, then you're able to see the prices before you go to the supermarket, and you're able to see if there's any offers as well. I like to go shopping in Marks and Spencer's, and Ocado has started stocking a lot of their items. They can't deliver over here, but again, I've been onto the website and I've put the Marks and Spencer's items in a shopping basket, so then I can work out how much I'm going to spend when I'm in there. But even now I've been doing it for quite a while, I know what kind of things that I'm buying, and 9 times out of 10 I stick to the budget when we go in the supermarket there. So like I was saying, shopping online definitely is going to help you to save money, but if you have a shopping list when you go in the shops, it can make a big difference on how much you spend as well. I feel like it saves money as well, because if we haven't got enough food, then we're more likely to go and do a top-up shop. And I don't know if you're like me, if we go and say we run out of milk and fruit or something like that, we're more likely to just go and buy some random things that we didn't even need. And another thing as well is it saves us money by not eating out or getting takeaways. I feel like if I've done a big massive shop and I know that I've got all the food and we've decided as a family what meals that we're going to have, I'm less likely to want to go and eat out. So I would say that we're saving about £200 a month in shopping, and then even if we just add 1 takeaway and 8 out, I would say that you're looking at between 100, I'd say just over 100, something like that. Even the chip shop, I can't even get my words out, even the chip shop is more expensive than back home. So if Ryan had a fish and chips and peas, then that would be £8-9, and then your kids meal, I think that's £5, so you're getting 3, then that's 15. If I was getting chips and gravy as well, so even just going to the chip shop, probably cost us about £30, and the nearest one is quite a distance away, so there's petrol money or gas money on top as well, going to get takeaways if they're not delivering. So yeah, and then it also saves money if we end up, even if I've meal planned and say we've got enough food and we get a takeout or we go and eat out, then there's a chance that I could be wasting food at the end of the week, because I've eaten out and I've taken into consideration all of the meals that we're having, particularly if it's fresh fruit and veg, because that's one of the things as well. If I can, I will put some information down below, like how much money is thrown away by households in the UK with food that's gone off. Have you ever as well, like if you go shopping and you've not written a list, you just end up going and just buying random stuff, and especially if you're hungry, you just get a load of items, because that's what I used to do a lot of, and then that would add a lot of money as well. Next is, it is saving time. So as I was saying, if we are able to shop online, I can literally go on, just edit my shopping basket, and that doesn't even take hardly any time, and then I can get the shopping delivered. And then also it's saving me time because I'm not having to go and do a top-up shop. But even if we go to the supermarket, as I was saying before, if I've got the list, it's saving me time because I know which aisles I'm going into. I don't need to go into every single aisle. Like, I've not got pets. There might be some weeks where I don't need to buy any cleaning products, so I can miss quite a few aisles out. And then also I feel like I save time because if I've not got a list and I don't know what meals I'm going to be having, I can end up just being in aisles for ages trying to decide what I want to get. Another thing as well is, say for example, when I was saying to you before about having to do top-up shops, so you know that's taking time out of the day, having to go and do that. The co-op shops here as well are so tiny, and because we are on lockdown, if you go shopping, it's just like a one-way system. You can't overtake, you can't go back. So before, like last year, when we went to the co-op shop to go and get a top-up shop, Ryan would wait with the kids in the car. I'd go in, and then if I didn't have a list, sometimes I'd end up forgetting something, couldn't go back because there'd be a person waiting on a spot 6 foot behind me. So then I'd have to wait until all the people in front of me have gone and then go back round again. So it would end up taking ages. So I just feel like the amount of time that it saves is really amazing. Another way that it saves time as well is if you've got your meals planned, say like you might have some recipes and you might be able to do them really quickly, or I like to watch Jamie Oliver's 15-minute meals and his 30-minute meals program as well. But I have his book, so if you're short of time, you could just have like some recipes, some go-to recipes. Like one of my go-to recipes is making a lentil dal, and it's really quick and easy to make. I'll link a shopping haul video above, and there's timestamps where I'm doing the lentil dal if you want to check it out. Literally that takes 15 minutes. It's really healthy, it's plant-based, and it's high in protein and low in fat, and it's just really, really nice. So yeah, so it's saving time on the cooking aspect as well. The next is it's less stressful. I feel like I was saying to you before, if I've not got a shopping list and I'm wandering around the shopping aisles, especially with everything that's going on at the moment with lockdown, you can't really be like loitering around the aisles for ages, like I was saying, especially if there's people, you know, they can't overtake you if there's not much of a space. So I feel like when I know what we're getting in the supermarket, Ryan can go or I can go, we can get the food and then we can just get in and out. Also, it's less stressful if you've not planned and then you've run out of food, then by the end of the week, then you're having to work out what we're going to do. Are we going to go and do a top-up shop, or are we going to have a takeaway, or are we going to eat out? So it all kind of like ties in. And then I feel like it can be stressful as well, not knowing what to make. I've been to the supermarket before, spent £150, £200, got home that evening and then said, oh, I don't know what I'm going to make today, and then ended up going to the chippy. So I just feel like it's just at the beginning of the week or whenever I go shopping, I know what dinners that we're going to be having roughly for the whole 7 days, and breakfast is pretty much the same, and lunch, it varies, but I know that I've got all the ingredients for it, and I know by the end of the week I won't have run out of food and there won't be a surplus. If there is a surplus, it might Usually it tends to be items that are in the freezer or in tins, so I don't have to worry about it going off in the fridge. And then also it can be less stressful knowing that you've not spent an absolute fortune on shopping. You might need that money for something else. So yeah. The next thing, and the last thing, is I feel like we are eating more nourishing foods. So because I'm able to plan the meals, I'm able to incorporate lots of fruits and veggies throughout the day, and I can get the kids involved in the meal planning. Say for example, if they are wanting a pizza, we can do like a fake away, so I can buy the flour and yeast and things like that, and then we can make our own pizzas, which they love, or we can make our own desserts as well. So yeah, I just feel like 100% since we've been meal planning, I'm cooking more from scratch because I'm finding it it's a lot more inexpensive, it's a lot cheaper than eating out. And I feel as well, like when we would eat out, it wouldn't be the most nourishing foods, like if we were getting a takeout, or say like if we was going to a restaurant. So I just feel like when you make something at home, even if you want a burger and fries, if you make it at home, it's going to be a lot more nourishing, and you know what is going into the food that you're making at home. We're really enjoying it. Like I'll cook a lot of the time, and my husband will cook as well, and the kids really like getting involved in it. So I feel like it benefits us as a family as well, because we really like cooking together. The kids are learning all about different ingredients and food and measuring and all that kind of stuff. So it's really benefited all of the family and the meal planning. So I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Like I said, if you have any ideas for future videos, then just let me know in the comment section down below, and leave me any questions as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!